Practice set 24. Write the following rational numbers in decimal form. We have to write rational numbers, the following rational numbers in decimal form. So simple division we have to carry out. Numerator is dividend, denominator is divisor. Simple division, we all know how to do division. So 4 3s are 12. Now since there is no number to bring down, what we'll do, we'll give a point, we'll give a decimal in quotient and we will write 10. Once we give a decimal, we can take n number of zeros. So we will start with 1 zeros. Now 10. So 4 2s are 8. So we are getting 2. So again we can take 0 because once we have given here decimal, we can take as many zeros we want. 20. So 4 5s are 20. Since remainder is 0, so we can stop. Therefore 13 by 4 in decimal is 3.25. That's how we solve this. That's how we convert rational number into decimal. Next, negative 8 by 7. Now negative 8 by 7, when we are dividing, we won't be writing negative here. In final answer, we will write negative because negative positive is negative. So final answer will be negative. Yeah. So 7 divided by 8. Now 7 doesn't comes in 8's table, so 8 zeros are 0. Now we will give a decimal and we will take 0 over here. So 8 8s are 64. Again we can take 0. So 8 7s are 56. Again we will take a 0. And 8 5s are 40. So remainder is 0. So we will stop. Therefore, negative 7 by 8 is equal to, now what I said, in answer we will give negative 0.875. Okay, let's see next sum. 7 3 by 5. So this 7 3 by 5 should be converted into improper fraction. First, 5 7s are 35 plus 3 38 upon 5. Now we will do this division. So yes, 7 5s are 35. 3. Now there is no number, we'll give a point. 7 6 are 30. And yes, remainder is 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 7 3 by 5 is 7.6. Okay, next 5 by 12. So 5 dividend, 12 divisor. 5 doesn't come, so 12 zeros are 0. Decimal and I'm taking here 0. So 50. 12 4s are 48. 12 1s are 12. 12 6 are 72. Now again 8 is coming. Again 12 6 are 72. Now if you all see, this is going to be recurring. Means this 666 is going to be recurring. Now we know that when the number is getting repeated, how we are going to write that. So 0.416, we won't be writing 26. And since only this number 6 is getting repeated, I am putting a dot over that. This dot indicates that this number 6 is in repetition. If more than one number is in repetition, we put a line and that line is called as bar. But here only one number is getting repeated, it's recurring. What we say is recurring. So I will put a dot over here. Now let's see fifth question. 22 by 7. So 7 3s are 21. 7 1s are 7. 7 4s are 28, 7 2s are 14, 7 8s are 56, 7 5s are 35, 7 7s are 49, 1 0. Again 7 1s are 7. Now you all can see this number 1. This number 1 just now repeated, and this 30 means 7 4s are 28, means 4 will be repeated, 2 will be repeated, 8 5 7 means this whole set, the number after decimal 1 4 2 8 5 7, this full set after the decimal is going to repeat. So we will stop since we got the pattern. Therefore 22 by 7 equal to 3.142857. Now all these numbers are going to repeat, so I am putting a bar over these numbers after decimal. 3 is not going to repeat, so I am not putting anything above 3. Okay. Now question number 6 and 7 are for homework.